Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can mention everyone in the group and Vibers. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber and note guys, I will be teaching you a very easy step. So it will be easy for you. So just follow me, and if you have any query, just comment down below guys. I'll be right over here. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber and then go to the group that you want to mention everyone in. So I just go over here and just type at the red everyone and then just press on send, so it will mention everyone in the group. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.